Hello class, this tutorial is about configuring your PHP application so that it can work and run as smooth as possible throughout the course. First thing that we're going to do that is click on one server, go to PHP. Find a PHP.ini, click on it and open it up. The next thing we're going to do is click on Control F. There are three things that we're going to work on: error reporting, output buffering, and time zone. The error reporting, in this case, underscore reporting, and we'll click on find, and it's right there. That's the one. I'll just make sure that all the values are set. Everything looks exactly the same as it's presented to you on my screen. Okay, the next thing we're going to look for is display errors. I'm going to go errors. Okay, make sure that this one is also on. Okay, moving forward, we're going to HTML underscore errors and make sure that this one HTML is on. If it doesn't appear as soon as you click find, it doesn't show, just continue doing so. And when it says that it couldn't find it on the way down, just click on the way up and continue looking for it until you find it. And make sure it's on, as I said. Next thing we're going to be working on or looking for is output underscore reporting. Like in this example right here, it didn't find it, so I'll go up, click on that window, didn't find it, error output reporting. Can't find output buffering. Here's a mistake. It's not reporting, it's buffering. Okay, it couldn't find it on the way down, so click up and it will find it on the way up. Make sure that it is off. Let me click this off for a second, and then everything looks exactly the same as you see on my screen. Control F, and we're going to work on time zone. Okay, once again, until you see this right here. Yours says UTC. We're going to change that to the proper location. So we're going to click right here and type on your Firefox browser. You're going to type this address right here. Make sure it says php.net as /manual /en for English /time zones.php. Go to America, click on that, and look for the city nearest you. In this case, people living in Puerto Rico could use either this one or this one. I'm going to use this one and do a right click and copy because I travel back and forth from the States, so I want to make sure that my computer doesn't get all crazy on me when I'm trying to teach you something, right? Anyhow, so I'm going to, I forgot to do, just highlight, copy, go back to my notepad, and in here I'm going to Control V, but I'm going to make sure these are enclosed with quotation marks. Okay, just make sure is that if it's the Puerto Rico one, just use that and do it in quotation marks. You're gonna click File, Save. Once you do that, go back to this page right here, which is the php.ini. Over here, you do a refresh to make sure that this page absorbed or adopted the change that we just made. Press Control F for find, and you're going to do, the next thing you're going to do is, what we're going to do is double check that the changes were adopted. Type error underscore reporting. You'll see you want this area right here, these two columns, to have these numbers right here. The next thing up is going to be output buffering, and make sure that it says no value, because as you remember, we did turn it off. The last thing is going to be time zone, and make sure it says right here it's on New York. And then that'll conclude our tutorial.